it, but the pain won't dry. New face won't hide these glazed off eyes. Now when the fire dies, that's just life. Maybe so will I. Maybe so will I. Oh, I never felt so right. That is just one last. Try to touch it, but the pain won't dry. New face won't hide these glazed off eyes. Now when the fire dies, that's just life. Maybe so will I. I just wanna die with my eyes and my lungs. Save me from the sight of my lies and my wrongs. Full suicide on the eye that I was. Yeah, in the life that I loved. Running out of time, but I'm fine with the set cut short. I'm committed, already bled for every single lie I regret. Should've said more. Yeah, it's the only thing I'm bad for. Tell me it's over. Live to see how should I make it back? Survive to see sober. I died trying for the last time. Fall never felt so right. When you felt this high, now the day goes by. I don't think I said it, it's just one last fight that I won't let die, so don't hurt this time. Try to touch it, but the pain won't dry. New face won't hide these glazed off eyes. Now when the fire dies, that's just life. Maybe so will I. Maybe so will I. Oh, I never felt so right. That is just one last.
What's up, everybody? Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Couple things on the stream today. Revisiting our AI broker benchmark, building a tool out and filament today. Show some of the magic of going 0 to 1 with filament. Very quick. So I'm excited to show that off. Let me know if the music's loud again, by the way. I had to tweak it for that OpenAI live stream we did. So I was kind of guessed on setting it back. Once I get this new computer set up, also coming today, which we'll unbox if it delivers here. But I'm going to get that cleaned up a little bit more. But for today, we're just kind of winging it. But anyway, AI broker benchmark and filament. Might actually add Gemini to my AI agents framework I had built. We're going to spin it up and see if it works well. If not, we'll just go to something else. But otherwise, maybe add Gemini to that framework that I have on GitHub. And then use that for our chats. Yeah, should be good. I think it's gonna be cool. I was thinking, you know what would be fun too, is the benchmarks allow a user to go in and actually play the other part and see like how good they can do. So like have a fail state. So like you could put, you know, what we won't have Grok because there's no API yet. I guess I'll double check. I'm pretty sure there's no API yet. But like you could go to Claude or Gemini or ChatGPT 4.5 or whatever. But it would be cool if you could compare those, but then also be like, actually, I want to play the part of a carrier, or I want to play the part of a broker, and like you could actually type the responses, and the AI can like have the choice of like passing. So like you can't just be like force it into a good deal. It can actually choose to pass. I don't know. We'll see how far it goes. We'll start with just trying to get the actual benchmark to work, which I don't think is going to be too bad, but yeah. Oh, the other thing I wanted to go over, maybe we'll actually start the stream with this, which is kind of cool. Let me pull it up. There was, if you're familiar, I've talked before about Bland, one of the AI voice providers. They actually open sourced their speech to text, I think is what it was. Their speech to text model. Let me pull it up, which is really cool, I think. Let's see here. I don't think it got posted on X, or I shared it. I think it was just on LinkedIn. So.
Tag team champion belt of the world.
Let's see here. Wait, right? I swear they did.
Quentin Thomas to Mission Control, Babel. We've come across a ship.
I gotta sort by recent.
Nothing I've ever seen before.
Oh, maybe not. Maybe it was a direct post. Wait, am I crazy? Didn't they do this? I don't know. Doubting myself. I'm pretty sure they did this. Pretty sure I didn't just make this up. Hold on. I want to find it. Yeah, here it is. Oh, it was actually 2 weeks ago. I just didn't notice it. Wow, I can't believe this just didn't come across my feed. LinkedIn's algorithm is just weird these days, honestly. Hold on, let me show this. So, yeah, this was 2 weeks ago. I actually just didn't even realize it. But this is pretty cool. So they open sourced. That was their voicemail detection. That's what it was. I think this is awesome. Something a very bland problem. I hope we see more of this, where these like sort of like cutting edge voice AI companies like split little pieces out. Like this is what we want to do with LoadPartner too, right? Make this more accessible. So I think it's pretty cool if they did this. I actually am not familiar with like what they do here. Let's see. Wave2Vec is a powerful self-supervised model originally designed for speech recognition. Fine-tuned Wave2Vec specifically for voicemail detection. We extract the first 2 seconds of audio from a call, upsample it to 16 kilohertz, and then this is the input for the fine-tuned model. Interesting. 98.5 accuracy. I wonder how other providers are doing this. And I wonder if they're doing it in line and like just having like an LLM be like, is this a voicemail? Or if they're doing it separate like this. Those are the interesting insights I feel like we miss out on right now. Oh, in parallel we trained the CNN model first 4 seconds of each call, which allows the difference between voicemail and human responses, 97%. Oh, did they actually talk about like, oh, okay. Let's see, this like abstraction is really interesting to me. Is it like the Apple voicemail so like does voice to text? I feel like I'm missing something. Oh, I think it's just saying like this is their model that detects voicemail. So like if it calls and gets a voicemail, the AI can know it's talking to a voicemail, so like it needs to leave a message, or like it can branch to another logic path essentially. And so this is just their system to detect that. But I think it's interesting because the timing there is important, so it's got to be pretty fast, which is probably why they're not using like just an LLM. I mean, I don't know, just assuming. But I like this abstraction, being able to like visualize this is very cool. So that's a cool write-up. Let's see, do they have anything else recent? They did warm transfers recently. Wait, is this from the other day? Call intelligence and new features. Upland, pushing the boundaries. Working on new capability designed to enhance accuracy, create a seamless path to integrating blend calls through BPO. Context-aware AI retrieval, enhanced reliability, confidence scoring. Now that'll be interesting. High accuracy transcription. Okay. Evaluate multiple transcriptions to assess confidence scores. AI assisted refinements to correct inconsistencies. Yeah, layers on layers to just get better consistency on like analysis probably is the main thing there. New features. Oh, they added new nodes for their workflow editor for collecting number, collect name. Revamped call logs, more test cases, search call. Yeah. Nothing crazy there, but I just think it's cool they're open sourcing, talking about this stuff. I don't know that, like, I don't think others are really. I should look. I guess I haven't really spent that much time looking. Oh, this site's like laggy. I mean, yeah, like these are like direct competitor comparisons. Interesting. More than an AI agent for this call analysis. Yeah, this isn't really that interesting to me. These are just basic functionality. Retail's very good, but like these blog posts are features. Yeah, nothing special. See if Vappy does. These are like the big three that I usually go to. They updated their website since I've been here last. I like this. See, I like... Okay, so I know I've complained about the scroll before on the websites, right? I like this. Because see, look, it's not capturing my scroll, but stuff is happening with the scroll. I love that. Like, that's cool. That's cool. Their website redesign's great. It looks really good. They launched free telephony recently. I remember that. They did test suites. Like, this was pretty big. I think Bland... I want to say Bland had a level of this that I haven't played with. But this is huge. As someone that's been in here working on tweaking AI voice before, it makes me go insane. Because I would spend days sometimes just like tweaking a prompt slightly and then seeing if the AI works, and you tweak the prompt slightly and then like step 3 breaks instead. Like, gotta go back and redo it. And it's really time consuming. So automating tasks like this is huge. That's a huge plus. I miss this. Oh, I gotta share this. I miss this totally. So Fleetworks is on Vappy, huh? Oh, now we know. For anybody wondering, I told you guys, right? I've been saying this. All the big guys. This is what they're doing behind the scenes. I've mentioned that a few times. Now you know. Fleetworks' voice is just using Vappy. Hey, that's the right way to do it, in my opinion. That's what we did at LoadPartner with like our AI voice stuff. We just have a bunch of different providers underneath. Vappy was one of them. But that's crazy. Anyway. Sorry, now we're off track, but that's a good thing. I mean, like, Vappy's really good. I like Vappy. This test suite is huge, though. I like, so like, the test suite is another good one. Do they talk about, this is a little more feature focused, like less engineering nerds, but it's still good they talk about this stuff and that they're doing this stuff. I think retail still got the best conversational, but I do think Vappy has some advantages with customizability. You can really pick and choose what you want to do, which is huge. So, this is really funny though. I never saw this mentioned anywhere. Oh, they did build it, so they built everything from scratch. Yeah, this is what we did too. This is literally what happened to us. With LoadPartner, we built our own AI voice. In the beginning of 2024, like in February, our AI voice was something I built completely from the ground up. All our phone calls were something I completely pieced together. And we sort of built a V1. I know we're like way off the rails, so I'm sorry, but I think this is kind of interesting history hopefully for you, which is we built the V1. It was as good as everybody else's voice at the time. It was still very early days then. And around like March, I think, or April, something like that, all of a sudden it felt like everybody's AI voice just leapfrogged us. It was like, what happened? Like we caught up, we built it ourselves. We launched voice, and it was like all of a sudden all the voices got super good overnight. So what happened? And then we found retail and Vappy and Bland, and we went, oh, nobody's building this anymore. Got it. And so from then on, we were like, okay, if we want to play this game, like we don't have the money, the team, the scale to build AI voice ourselves. It makes a lot more sense for us to be multi-vendor, have fallbacks, etc., etc. So we built a system out that was completely interchangeable with all the big phone providers. So we, unlike others like Fleetworks here that just went on Vappy, we went and supported Bland, Vappy, and Retail so we could jump around, because the features would come out every month or so. One of the vendors would come out with a new feature, and it's like, that's the best one now. And you got to go support it. So we just supported all of them, so we just flip them back and forth. That's how a lot of our stuff even now works, like our Dart platform. It's just built on these different providers with different, you know, workflows behind the scenes that we've fine-tuned. I mean, there's value there. We're not just wrapping this. We do have customized workflows for check calls and different question steps and everything where we've spent time refining the call flows. But anyway, it's funny to see now that it's coming out that, you know, even Fleetworks is, I mean, on Vappy, but I think anybody that's paying attention knew, because you could see back in like April or whatever when like all the voices leapfrogged all of a sudden. I think the biggest tell was, I won't say like who exactly, but Retail, I'll say Retail came out with background noise. I think it was background noise. They added like office background, so there's like ambience, and so when you called somebody, you could hear typing on the keyboard. It sounded like a call center. And I remember seeing that and being like, that's so cool, we're gonna pull that in. So we pull it in, and it wasn't a week later that one of the other call companies and logistics launched ambience background noise for their customers, and been this big spiel about how they had tuned it to make it sound so real. And I was like, wait a second, this is familiar. So that was, to me, the day I was like, everybody's doing this. But hey, it's the right way to go. Why build it yourself at this point? It's a race to the bottom, so it's cool. The new one, Clone Ops, as well. I can't remember if we talked about this on stream, but Clone Ops from David Bell. You know, they're another really big heavy hitter coming in now. David Bell's the guy that, like, the co-founder of Lean Solutions, and he launched this Clone Ops company. He's going after all the Happy Robots, Fleetworks, etc. He's got the funniest header, like, hero out of all of them, though. Always turned on. Come on, nobody. But but they're on Bland. If you saw their, I don't think we watched the video on stream, but they talk about how they're built on top of Bland. So, you know, yeah. I wonder if truck answering AI voice will have background noise like they're going down the road. It will. I mean, for sure. I actually just saw a new one today. I was messing with it before the stream. I don't know how you say this. Vogent? I don't know. It's not. If they got some big names, United Healthcare, Aetna, CVS, Walgreens. Looks like they focused on health, probably pharmacies, prescriptions, maybe. The voice is horrible though. That's the problem with Bland too. Look, I really like Bland, but their biggest miss right now, they've actually addressed a lot of stuff. That team is amazing. I highly recommend, if you're looking for a provider, call them, talk to them. You absolutely shouldn't just pick somebody. You should call and talk to different people at those companies, because they'll take your call. And I think the team matters a lot, because you're gonna need custom work. So anyway, it's great. But like, for example, with Bland, one of the things we ran into was the voice quality is just not as good. And that's because Bland, so Vappy and Retail just use 11 labs, right? 11 labs is amazing. It's the best, right? That's why they use it. It's the best. Bland actually has their own voice models. So there's pros and cons to that, which is they have a lot of control. They can release like multilingual stuff a little bit, like focused on what customers need, blah, blah, blah. But the it doesn't sound as natural. And even if you like train a model, we trained a couple models, but it just never was quite there. So you know, that's just one of the trade-offs. But so that's another one. The reason I bring that up is because this one's the same way. Hold on, I'll play a voice for you. 1 second. Let me pause the music. Also, because Bland has a control, they have much higher throughput for calls. Yeah, that's another great point. Bland has a huge. I can't remember what they quoted us now for the throughput, but if you go to like retail or Vappy, they all have like a very tight concurrency limit. Now they're all starting to allow you to like pay for more concurrency, but Bland was basically like make as many calls as you want, and like if it breaks, like we'll fix it. I can't remember. They said literally like if you're gonna make like 100,000 calls, like give us a heads up so we can monitor, but otherwise like have fun. Which yeah, huge plus. Let's listen to these voices. These are all not 11 laps, I'm pretty sure. These are all. This is another scenario of in-house.
Hi, I'm an AI assistant. How can I help?
Hi, I'm an AI assistant. How can I help?
I mean, like, I couldn't find any like good ones. I was playing with it.
Hi, I'm an AI assistant. How can I help?
Like when I did the test call, the AI's like, hello, how can I help you? It's just really unnatural. So yeah, I don't know. But this is a new one that's popped up, I guess. I think it's new. Their profile, all their other accounts look brand new, so new player on the scene, I guess. But yeah, like I said, so the only one that we don't, I won't. I've said enough. This is fitting for healthcare providers. Make it as miserable as possible. I mean, honestly, though, right? Pretty great. Yeah, pretty great. Yeah. It's very interesting. It's very interesting. I do like Vappy. So it's a good choice for them. I think that there's a couple people on retail that haven't spilled the beans yet. I'll say that. So they haven't done a blog post yet, so you know, it's not in the open anyway. But I don't think it takes too much digging to figure out who's following who and who's got feature releases that are timed similarly, we'll say. But like I said, that's the right choice. It is. It really is. There's no reason to build it yourself these days. Base 10 propping up the industry, yeah. Base 10 is so that's who like pretty much everybody's like hosted on essentially, and they definitely help a lot of these AI voice providers figure it out. So look, here's Bland. There's Descript is another big one for voice that does like they do voice stuff. I don't know. There's like there's literally like I say, right? Bland is hosted on here. They're on here twice. How about that? I know there's some other people in the industry that are on here, so it's a little tight knit circle, you know. Like they know what works and they do it, so it's all good. We were pretty open with us doing that back in 24, so per the usual, ahead of the curve. That's the LoadPartner way. 6 to 12 months ahead. It's our comfort zone. All right. Anyway, I wanted to. We got way on a tangent. I just wanted to talk about the Bland open source thing, but I was just shocked by the Vappy article. So let's look at broker sales benchmark. Yeah. Eldorado, what's your other thing we were looking at yesterday? You want me to do that today? Or no? Hold it for next week or another stream. Oh, let me get music on. So pretty early, you can play around with it. I can wait. I'll wait. If you're gonna keep tweaking it, I'll wait. We'll do like a... I want to play... I don't want to play it like a bunch of times, probably on the stream. So like, you tell me when you feel like it's good, and we'll play with it. Because I want to like really like mess around. Yeah, let's do filament. So, all right, let me think about this. So we're gonna build an AI broker benchmark test thing. I'm thinking, oh, by the way, my computer is gonna deliver at some point. I do have to sign for it, so whenever that happens, I will step away for a minute, but hopefully it'll happen here soon. I'll unbox it on the stream. We'll see how nice it is. Hopefully it's nice. It should be. But my thought is we can try using my AI agents framework for the AI. We'll see if it works. If it doesn't work right out of the box, like there's issues with the framework for some reason, we'll use Prism, which is another Laravel LLM wrapper thing. Whatever you want to call them. So we'll try mine first, and if it works, okay, we'll run with it. Let me start a new project. Actually, we could try the Laravel new thing, right? Hold on. Oops. Let's see. I haven't actually used this yet.
No, I can't just be a part of it, I can't sit by and let it all come down. Finish what I started with now.
Okay.
Finish what I started with now.
So then I just go Laravel, new, broker AI. What is it? Composer run, broker AI. Or sorry, composer run, Laravel, new. I don't think it's gonna. Wait, did I do this wrong?
No, I can't just be a part of it, I can't sit by and let it all come down. Finish what I started with now. Finish what I started with now.
Downloading PHP. Like go Laravel. Maybe I gotta open a new terminal. Hold on. There we go. Okay. So Laravel new broker AI benchmark. Okay. We're in business. We're gonna go Livewire. WorkOS is done. We're not doing that. I don't care about testing, but sure. Okay. See what happens. I would normally use Sail. I mean, that's really my preference. But I just feel like we should try this. Although, I'm surprised there's not a Sail option. Because it looks like... Oh, it did it. Wait. Oh, we'll see what happens. Let's just keep going. Would you like to run npm? Sure. Okay. So it already ran install and build. Oh, it ran build. So I'm supposed to do composer run dev. Okay. One of those works. Okay. Is this gonna be like Laravel Cloud? Yeah. This work? Garrett. Test. Do our classic. Test@test.com. Password. Create an account. Oh, it's the new starter kit. Oh, look how much better the dark mode looks. We need to tweak our dark on the TMS. This looks so much better. It's a little odd to me that these are on like separate cameras. But maybe it's okay. Huh. We're not actually going to use any of this, to be honest. Because we're going to use filament, so we're going to do our own thing. But, wait, is there a picture upload? No picture upload. I did add that, by the way, Eldorado. It's in there now. It works. So this isn't using Sail, right? I don't think it is. No. Can I see? Hold on, let's do this. Let's open this bad boy up. Take a look. I like this composer run, like, in theory. I'm assuming it just works like NPM, like package. Yeah. PHP artisan serve, queue listen. What is pale? What's pale? I don't remember what this does. I don't remember what this is. PHP artisan pale. Oh. Cool. Got it. So it just shows you the logs, basically. Nicely. Which is probably what we're seeing on the output. So run dev. Oops. Not run. Interesting. But wait, didn't it install Sail, or am I crazy? Wait, it did. Why did it install Sail and then not use it? Like, I'm assuming Sail's in here now, right? Yeah. Weird. I guess just so it's there if you want to use it. I do kind of like this experience, though. But there's probably no... I mean, actually, it doesn't matter, because, like, our database for ours is also... SQLite, which this is also doing. I mean, it's quicker. Maybe we'll mess around with trying this on... once we get the Laravel 12, we can try to set this up. Then you don't have to set up Docker. If you're developing locally, you can just run Composer Run Dev. I feel like that's a better experience, to be honest. So, is there a way to detach from this, though? I guess not. I guess it's kind of like my... I guess it's fine. So there's Vite. Wait, it's not actually at local. Yeah. So, anyway, we're gonna use filament today. So we're not gonna use the stuff that's been filled in for us. We're using actions, which I like. Oh, this is actually a Livewire action. Volt service provider. Wait, what is Volt? I saw them talking about this. Volt is an elegantly crafted functional API for Livewire. Supports single... Oh, it's... Wait, is this what they're using in the... No, are they? Hold on. Resource path views, Livewire. Path. Pages. Okay, so if I want to go public resource views, no, they wouldn't. What is going on in here? No, why are they doing this? What the hell is this? No! We've worked so hard to get away from this in PHP. Like, we've worked so freaking hard to not put PHP in the views. Like, I hate this so much. I know it's just my opinion. Maybe some people like this. But this is taking the React philosophy of, like, one file that does, like, all of it. I mean, I guess this is trying to compete with, like, Next.js, like, server stuff, right? Where you can do, like, the server and the client in the same file. Or whatever. But I hate this. Oh, I no thanks. Like, look at this. Why would you want this? Like, it's not that much. Like, what are we even doing here? New layout, extends component, and we're defining. Like, this isn't even like parsed correctly. Is my Laravel extension up to date? Hold on. Yeah, it's up to date. I don't even know. I don't even know what I need to install to make that file read correctly. But this is like the confirm password, right? So so wait, okay. Is this the actual? Yeah, so basically, like, it's saying wire submit confirm password, and then we're defining the PHP in the file for, like, what the PHP we want it to run is. I mean, I guess there's a little more to it than just, like, inlining PHP, because we are, like, magicking this call. But, like, I don't know, man. Maybe I'm just old school. I don't know. Like, what's even... Like, we literally closed the PHP tag. Oh, yeah. Just spooky. Oh, wait, so everything's got everything in here? Log in. Yeah, look, I mean, it's like... Wait, it's actually logging them in then, right? Auth attempt, yeah. So, like, the login logic is actually in the view file instead of, like, in an endpoint. Wait, like, is there really not? There, yeah, look, there's no controller. This is the middle of the midway meme, yeah. No, this is, I don't like this. I don't like this at all. I'm sorry. But this is, if I had to work on a project and this is how it was set up, I'd be like, why? Why are you doing this? Because, I mean, like, think about this. If I want to add SSO to this, I don't even know. Like, so you're gonna have controllers for some paths, but not other paths, and then, like, some of the logic's gonna be in the view. Dude, this is... I hope they don't do this stuff long term. I think this is bad. I think this is not a good direction for ecosystem, to be honest. I think it's just bad. I think there's some validity in being able to... Like, I see, like, where they're trying to go with, like, you can magically call PHP functions from the front end, right? Where do we see that? Like the wire quick or whatever on, like, confirm password. Wire submit. Right, I kind of see that. Again, kind of that Next.js kind of thing, but I don't think the trade-off is there. Like, it's not worth it. But anyway, all right. Enough of that. Let's get Filament. Let's get into Filament, which has its own problems. But hey, it's fast. Let's install. I guess we're gonna actually be installing from here, huh? Kind of weird to be running stuff in like not through sale. Cool. And then we gotta install it. Place. There we go. Yes. What is the ID? So this is an okay. So the way Filament works is it's supposed to be like admin panels, technically. Like if that's what it's built for. So the ID here that's asking for, I think, is the name of the panel we're building. So we'll just call it. I don't know. It doesn't really matter. Like I'm just gonna go with admin for now because like I don't really care that much. No, I don't want to start. I'm pretty sure I already started. So, all right. I'll go PHP artisan make filament user. We'll go test.com. Our classic here. Oh. We kind of good. I don't think that uses any log. Let's try it. So if I go here, here. What was it? Composer run dev. Let this thing run on the side. Okay. So now if we go localhost 8000, that should bring our main page up. If we go /admin, boom, we have a login page. I don't think this is gonna work. Let me try it though. Oh, cool, it does. Okay. So we have basically the same starter kit that we just were looking at this point. We got the light mode, we got an account. I thought there was a user editing page, but maybe not. Let me try making a second user and see if it does have one. test2.com. Let me try this again. Sign out. Oh, same thing. Okay. Maybe that's just something that's built in. We can include then. But anyway, so we get like our dashboard's got a light mode and a dark mode. Same thing. Flashbang. Sorry. So what we can do now is we can actually pull in pages. Let me add a page. All right. So what? Sure. We're gonna add a new page. Oh, we'll add a settings, sure. Which resource would you like to create this in? I don't know if we have a user resource yet. User resource. No, we don't. Okay. So, let's take a step back. So basically, we need to create a resource first. And this wraps our eloquent models. So basically, we'll make a user resource, and it's going to create like sub pages for all the things we expect. So let me go PHP artisan make filament resource user. Yes. Cool. And now back over here. I think we should have a user resource now. Yep. So this wraps our user class, right? And we could define like what's a form look like for the user. If you have a table of users, what does it look like? What relationships does it have? What pages are allowed? I don't remember if this automatically maps the pages or not. Let me try it. It does. Okay, cool. So we've already got a users list now, but you can see we don't have anything defined in our table, so like nothing shows up. Look, we even have it over here actually. Users. So now in our table, we can add a column. So we say text column make name, and this is just looking at the fields in our model, so sure, we'll just go with the defaults here. We can even, yeah, sure, it sounds good. No relations. Oh. Import these really quick. Okay. Give it a refresh. There you go. We've now built a login page with user creation with a place to go look at users, and I can even edit users. It's like legitimately that simple, and I can literally change this. This works. Well, we'll see. It should work. Oh, because I didn't update the password. Make the password. Alright, so I can say like, whatever. Garrett 23, boom. That easy. Like, we've already created a login, a user list, a way to edit users. I think we can even create new users through the same, yeah. So I can say whatever, sure. This might not work because I'm not filling all the fields in. Yeah. But that's just all happening through like these schema definitions. So it's saying we're building a form with a text input, and it does the rest. It's very magic, as I was saying the other day. But it's wicked fast, obviously. So we can also create, so this is just like high level, like users or resources. So I can create resources around whatever I want, right? So users, we can create them around like chat conversations or whatever. We can add global search abilities with this. We can add the search bar that's up to those tables. We can create pages. So if we jump over to, we should have a user page, I think. Element. Where am I trying to go? I think we have one, right? Here we go. So filament, resources, user resource. So here's our pages, right? It extends a create record, which does 90% of the lift there. We've got edit user, same thing, edit record. We can have actions here to like delete, list users, create action. And so these pages literally just get loaded in through, I believe, yeah, here we go, get pages. And we just say a page with list users. Here's the route I want it to be. Create a route, create route record. So it's all like, you just configure the CRUD app. It's like you just configured, and then it just does everything else. It's crazy. It's actually crazy. And you can create different panels. So like, this is our default admin panel. So you see we have admin, there's a login, we have colors we can define. We can have it auto-discover resources and pages in certain places. So if we wanted to say, admin panel only shows things under like filament pages admin, whatever. Add default pages, we can add widgets, which is like a whole other thing. So you can create little, you know, exactly what do you think is right, a widget. The middlewares, off middlewares. But again, it's all through just configuration. And there's a bunch of stuff built in. So like, let's go mess around with user resource, form. I was showing this off the other day on the stream too, but there's all kinds of stuff you can do in here. So if I go to forms, wherever that's at, here we go, there it is, form builder. There's like, look at all these types that are ready to go. Like file upload, a drag and drop file. Like I can literally, you want me to add a file upload for a picture? All right, hold on, time me. Remember, we're gonna add a file upload for a picture. Let's see how long it takes. File upload, make avatar. Let's see, directory. I don't actually know where to make it like go a certain place, because this is just gonna go to the one place. But like, I can say like, gotta be an image. There's an avatar. Is that a real? Apparently, there's even an avatar mode, which is insane. This will only allow images to be uploaded when they are the display. Like, what? That's like they added that. It just comes out of the box. That's crazy. Edit. Choose. What is, like, that's crazy. Like, that is so fast. Like, that's how quick it was to add an avatar. This probably won't save because there's nowhere for it to actually go. If this actually saves and it like goes into a folder and takes care of that somehow, I'll be like shocked. I'm sure it doesn't. I don't actually know what file, like what kind of field name it needs for this. Let's see what it says. 50 seconds, yeah. Saved us hours on building that LP usage table that had aggregate column. Yeah, so like in LoadPartner, we had to, yeah, we built like a usage table for people to be able to look at like what calls are made, text, blah, blah, blah. I mean, being able to build it, we just dropped filament in that spot basically, and boom, literally that fast. I don't know how to actually like make this go somewhere. Okay, does it need a field? I don't actually know. Like if I just make a, is it a string? Or maybe it's just a form field? Hold on, did it actually upload the file? Let's see. I didn't tell it to go anywhere specific, so let's see. Storage. So it did upload it. So we probably just need to... Where am I trying to go? User resource. We probably just need to add an avatar field. So like, literally make a migration for avatar. So, oops, look at that. PHP artisan, make migration. User avatar field. User avatar field. I think this will work. That'd be crazy. Can I make it default? Hold on. User resource. Let's go. Default asset. And then I think I can go form. Get model avatar maybe. That might be right. I'm not sure. Model. Hold on, let me look. I'm not sure how you actually grab the default. Whoa, why this load weird? Look, they're like ads broke. How do I make it load the defaults in? Or does it? Oh, it already does, right. So it probably will just work. Let's find out. Probably gotta upload a new one since there's no, it didn't get uploaded. Let's see. Will it work? That'd be crazy if it's that easy. It tried. I think that the oh, weird, I don't know. There's probably something with like the way it's supposed to be actually saved in there. We don't actually have to mess around with making this work in the actual database. I don't know how to like make the file. I'm probably saving it the wrong thing, but I think you get the point. It's really just like so fast. Let's see what's saved in the user table. Avatar. Oh, nothing's saved. Oh, I know why. Oh, hold on. I'm just curious if it'll work now. Now I just got my curiosity, so. Browse file. Boom, boom. Uploading. Save. So it does that, which seems wrong. Makes me feel like it's probably not gonna work. Okay, I think it's got a field there now. I think it's just not loading. I'ma make a toast cause we still alive. No big. Localhost. Oh, My bad. It's actually something we gotta do. This is something I had to do, storage. Add a load, I think. Oh, I don't know. Storage. I don't know why that's not working. Storage. Should work. Public storage. So we don't actually have to spend that much time on this. I'm just curious. What did I link? Public storage. Public storage. It should work. Oh, maybe I need to restart it. That might be it. If this doesn't work, we'll move on. You can see it's trying to load. There's just something wrong with my config. So the files, it should be loading. It might have to be like, hold on, let's try this. Open and new tab. Is it 8,000? Is that why? It is. It's my ENV's wrong. Why? There you go. I just had a config wrong. I mean, still, right? Even battling the configs, like, that's such a nice looking experience with like the nice fade in and like the image uploads, and it's just nice. However, then you go, well, let's see what it looks like in mobile. And I guess it doesn't look terrible. But like this, if you want to make a table that doesn't do this, you kind of just out of luck. I guess it could be worse. The bad thing is that this is using Livewire, so like the real problem, like again, why we didn't use it for the TMS, is Livewire sends these massive payloads over the net. So like, look at this. Like every time you do something, it's sending these huge payloads. And like, look at this. How many lines is this? 10,000 lines. And it's hard to work around that. It's just kind of fundamental. So 0 to 1 apps like what we're building today, great. Speaking of which, let's start doing it, right? So I'm thinking broker benchmark. I think what we'll do is I think we'll create we should call them like, I think we're just gonna create back and forth testing for now. Like they're gonna be comparisons. Like everything's gonna be a comparison. So like I think we just create like a comparison, and then we do like comparison turns. So a comparison will be like ID. We don't need a name. We'll just say like I would say actor, because who knows what we'll do in the future. Actor B. So these will be models. And then we'll do comparison turn. So I think we'll do it like that. And then we'll just order it by turn number, and like it'll be the other one's turn. And so it'll just step through it. So we're done, basically. And then we're just gonna save. I guess what we should do is do like actor A context and actor B context. So the way I'm thinking about this is you go in, you say, I want to create comparison. We'll probably have like type maybe. We don't even need to do that for now. We can just hard code it. We'll just say like actor A is always the carrier, actor B is always the broker for now. And then we can later add like tweaks for like prompt editing. Basically just define your model. We'll have prompts ready already based on the team you're on. Have it respond, record the turn, and if the action isn't finalize rate, or I don't even know what the other one would be, like finalize rate or counter or decline, maybe? I don't know. Or maybe we just have like finalized rate or like pass on opportunity or something like that. So the AI has the opportunity to say like, no, I'm not doing it. So I think we're gonna create comparisons, comparison turns, and we're gonna need to pull in my framework. So let's see if we can. Let's start by just seeing if the framework works still, because I have not used it in a while. So we'll start there. It's probably gotta. Probably doesn't support the right stuff now, huh? There we go. Actually, it's probably okay. Try it. We'll try it. We'll try it. Right. Dude, it's in my muscle memory. It's crazy. I kind of like not going through sale though. I don't know. Kind of nice not having Doctor running. What's that? OpenAI client implicitly marking premium orders as nullable is okay. Something's broken. Yep. We'll see if it works though. So we should be able to. This should work, I think. Or wait, hold on. Let me go. Let me create an agent really quick. So what we'll do is we're gonna create AI agents, I guess. Create. We'll call it test agent. Yup. Why are you unhappy? Wait, what? Base. Base. 8. Wait, yeah, that's fine. Okay. We'll just go like this. Let's just see if this works. Hold on. So I should be able to go now and go PHP artist. Let's see if it works. AI chat. Okay. So I should go AI chat app AI agents test agent. Oh, I can actually do it like this then. I should be able to actually just do this, right? Base agent. See how that works. It did. Okay, cool. Now I just gotta add a key. Oh, I gotta. This is the part where I leak a key again. Nice. All right, let me switch to this for 1 second. Let me get a key. Let me get a key.
Oh, hell, if they don't like it, I might turn up by myself.
And
I don't need opinion, no, I did this for myself. I just remembered I'm
free tokens? Sure. Wait, what? Sharing prompts? Oh. Wait, you get free tokens. You get 1 million tokens a day. If you share. Interesting. Sure. If I share my usage. They're that desperate, huh? Interesting. That's okay. All right, so broker AI benchmark key. Almost definitely gonna leak this. AI. Actually, hold on, let me see really quick. I think there might have been like a specific.
Yeah, my problem big, but I know God way bigger. What you expect once you level up? Don't you know the boss is?
I think there was like a specific. Oh. Got it. I gotta publish the provider. Do that real quick. There it is. Okay, much better. Now I got OpenAI. That's going for OpenAI key. Oh. Almost there, almost there. Hang with me. Okay. Now. Nice. Go. Boom. So now I can just go. Wow, it's dangerous. Have this big open, huh? Oh, wait. We can keep that open. 1 second. Okay. So now I can just go PHP Artisan AI chat. Base agent, which is just the agent it comes with. Say, hi, how are you? Whatever. It should work. There you go. So that is, I don't even know what version this is using. It's using OpenAI by default, so. We gotta probably fix this. This is just literally for testing your agents in the command line if you build new agents. That's what I built this for, so. Can you do 2 plus 2? It should do, I actually don't even know if it's calling a method or whatever, but anyway. So we can actually do this here too. So we can say like, you are a root assistant. So right, I can do a prompt. This is back when we called them pre-prompts. So it's like dated a little bit already, the like terminology, which is sort of funny, honestly. But now I can go AI chat and I can just pass this in. So I go app, AI agents, testing agent. Oh. Okay, wait, what did I do wrong? Oh. Maybe I need to go like. Wait, do I have to like pass in something else? This? As you can see, it's been a minute since I've used this. What am I doing wrong? For example, chat with the included testing agent. You can do AI chat testing agent. Wait, this should just work though, right? App agents. So I should be passing in app AI agent, but this is not working. It's like maybe I need double backslashes. Adrenaline AI agents, app agents. Okay, so apparently I'm doing this wrong. There might be something wrong in the technical. Chat with agent 29. Okay. Let me take a look. If this ends up not really being that useful, because it's kind of outdated, then we won't use it. Chat with agent. Oh yeah. Some things I get off my chest. It's funny. Yeah, so this should actually do. Yeah. If that doesn't exist. And we'll say if that doesn't exist, then we'll try. Actually, let's do this. If class exists. Like that. That should do it. Let's try that. Class, if you're on it. If class exists. Maybe it's because I did the doubles. What do? Why are you not working? This should be able to go outward, I thought. I don't know. Logger, info, agent class. Storage, logs. Adrenaline, wait. Wait a second. Wait, what, how is that? If class exists. What is this? Argument. So if I go like this, shouldn't this be, this should work, right? What's it doing? Adrenaline. Hey, why is it all namespaced into here? Can I not? What's the argument in the past, actually? Argument. Wait, what? Can I not break out of the vendor? Is that what it is? Is it like sandboxed? That might be it. I don't know. I've never tried to do this before, so. Okay. Well, I swear I've done this before, though. I wonder if it's something new. Because, yeah. Agent class. Weird. Yeah, we default to ChatGPT. I don't even know what the default is for this. What model do we use? 3.5 Turbo by default? That's funny. Alright, well. Really wanted to do... Maybe we'll just build a chat interface first. Maybe that's where we'll start. Okay. So if we're gonna do that, then, that's, I guess, yeah, it must be something with not being able to break out of the namespace, I guess. If class exists. Can I just go like this? Try. This argument. Agent. No. I know. I need to move on, but I'm just curious. I really want this to work. Class app, AI agents, testing agent not found. Okay. App, AI agents, testing not found. Okay, so it can't break out, basically. Got it. Good to know. That's fine. Not a big deal. We can actually do this. Well, no, it doesn't matter. Basically, our list of things to do, we need to find a way to save context, save and reload context of a model. That model. We need to, I think I added this at some point in here, possibly. Maybe not. There's like something weird with like basically we need to find a way to save and reload chat context. And then we need to also I mean that's really the biggest thing. Once we get that, the rest is gonna come together pretty quick. Add prompts. Create a carrier sales agent with prompt and tool. Create a sales agent with prompt and. Alright, so basically what we're gonna do, create this, go like broker sales agent. And then we go whatever, don't care. Go carrier sales agent. Sure. And then what we'll do is we'll actually create a traits. And we'll create a sales tools. And then we're gonna go PHP traits, whatever. And we'll go I just wanted to find this. Okay. We're gonna create the default sales tools. So we'll go sales tools, and then we're gonna go public function accept. Accept. Accept offered rate, and we'll go string rate void. And this will basically just end the in the flow. And so we got to basically give this hint. So the way that this package works that I wrote, you basically can define these AI agent descriptions, which tells the AI like what this is, and you define the params, and then the package just handles automatically converting that into tools and everything for the different APIs to like the models to use. So you can basically just write PHP code and it just works. That's the idea. Accept an offered rate for this shipment. The rate to accept. And then basically what we'll do here is we will say, we're gonna want this to basically mark the conversation over. We're probably gonna want like a reject as well, but for now, stop cursor. For now, I just want to go accepting rate. It's fine. And then we'll throw this in here. Use sales tools, and that way the carrier and the broker can have the same sales tools. Okay. So now I'm thinking we need the prompts we were using the other day. And then we're also going to want to make a job. PHP artisan job process sales turn. We're also going to make 2 models, right? We might need 3, possibly. PHP artisan make whatever. I'm not even gonna do that. I'm just gonna make a model. We're gonna do comparison, right? So we're calling it comparison. Get these out. Cool. I'm trying to work faster because I do have to end the stream around 4:30ish today, so I really want this to like work once before the stream is over. That's the goal. Alright, so what did we say for this? We said ID, actor A, actor B, so back to actor A, actor B. Okay. Final result. Which we'll make this JSON for now, and we'll just like put whatever we want in there in case we do other comparisons in the future. Okay, new already. Did I make a migration already? Or no? I made a job. HP artisan made migration. Comparison. Comparison. Look at the OpenAI thing. I failed every time. What to fix that? Database comparisons. Okay. So I think we want to create a comparisons table like this. That looks great. We'll make time zones, and we're gonna also do schema create comparison. We'll say, I think we want to go, probably turn type. And then we'll like have it rotate, and then we can go. Oh yeah, I guess we could just say turn actor, huh? And it could be actor A or B. I think we go turn response, like what you want to feed it to the other one, and then also table. I guess we actually want an array for this, which is turn context, final context. Context. In context. Basically, like when the turn happens, the way I see it is we'll have turns, right? So we'll initiate the first turn. The AI will be like, "You're a broker." Blah, 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 open it. It says what it wants to say, and then we enter a turn. And so we say, like, we record a turn. It says, actor A, the carrier, turn type. Maybe we don't need turn type because we have actor. But basically, actor A, ending context. We drop in the context of whatever has happened so far. So basically, like whatever the AI says back and all the previous messages needs for the context. And then the turn response will be a string, which is going to be, will you take 3,500? So then we go, okay, turn done, kick off a new job for turn B, or actor B to take a turn, and we'll take that turn response and plug it into the context. It'll generate a response, we'll take that whole thing, record the end context, and then return the exact last message as the next turn response, and then repeat until one of them calls the agree rate, basically. That's my thought process. This might change. I don't think we need turn type anymore. We're gonna get rid of it. Let's go. Comparison turn. Comparison ID, turn actor. Yep. In context, gonna be an array. Sorry, here, truck. Making sure it's not the delivery guy. It's the delivery guy. Alright, I'll be right back. I'm gonna sign for this. One moment.
Turning back now, it's impossible. I'm just looking for love, it's toxic. If you're running better around when I say go. So I'm real with my life till my final breath. There's no escaping chills and what she said. She said, say the word, it ain't time to stop this. Ain't no turning back now, it's impossible. I'm just looking for love, it's toxic. If you running better around when I say go.
Alright. Package delivery. Let's see what we got. Quick unboxing. Finally, new laptop. Now I can stop lagging. Of course, maybe we won't use Docker anymore and it'll be fine anyway. I don't know. Well, the box isn't broken, so that's a good start, right? I think I'm gonna set up, well, obviously I'm gonna set this up probably this weekend, not right now, but, I'm gonna make some tweaks to the stream, too. Get, like, a bot going in the chat, get some better transitions going. I gotta reset everything up anyway. So might as well, right? Let's see what we got. A box. That's nice and simple packaging, which I appreciate. Nothing too crazy. Pretty sturdy. Good. It's beefy. So one of the things I got with this one is I went with the 7 instead of the 5 because it's all metal. So it's like solid. Like this thing, you could kill somebody with this probably. It's honestly thinner than I thought it was gonna be. Look at these exhaust ports on this bad boy. You can see it. It's supposed to be like super good cooling, which I'm excited for because my current laptop, it's an Asus. It's one of the ROG Zephyrus ones, which I love. It's been great. I've had it for like 5 years now. It's got a i7 with 2070 in it. One of the big drawbacks though is it only has 16 gigs of RAM, and one of the RAM's slots is soldered, so I can only go up to 24 gigs, which is what I got. So when I'm doing streaming and stuff, it's chugging, especially when I've got like Docker running. It's not happy. So it also gets really hot. So my old laptop is definitely plastic. This one's metal, so it's heavier. But my old laptop also gets like the temperature of the sun. Like I was doing D&D the other day, and I just had like the D&D website up, and it was like the guys I was playing with like, "Is that your laptop?" Like, yeah, it is. It's it sounds like a jet. It seems huge. Yeah, I can't really compare it to my previous one. It is a 16-inch, so I think it's supposed to be a little bit bigger than my current one. It should fit in my bag. I'll check. Hold on one sec. The power brick is supposed to be massive, is what somebody said. So, oh yeah, it's a beefy one. Definitely bigger than the current one. Not by much though. A little bit. It's a beefy power brick. But I think it has like a. So this laptop's got a 4090, 32 gigs, a terabyte of storage, which I'll probably need to upgrade now I'm doing all these videos, and a 4090 with an i7. I think it's an i7. It's definitely heavy, but it's like solid. It's like very solid. Let's see what it looks like under here. Oh, and it's got a webcam. My current one doesn't actually have a webcam. I didn't think I would care about, to be honest. But now that I've been traveling, there's been a few times I've had to take calls, and I have to carry a little webcam around in my bag, so I can throw it on the top. It's an i9. Sorry, not an i7. So it's an i9 with a 4090 terabyte and 32 gigs of RAM. So that's what we're dealing with. It's pretty thin. The lid is actually super thin. Look at that. Super thin. I like the keyboard layouts. Nothing crazy, which I like. You can see it's pretty standard. You know how sometimes they get like really weird with the keyboard layouts? I hate that. So this one, I think the only weird thing with this keyboard layout is it doesn't have a control button on the right side. But I also don't think I ever use the control button on the right side, so I don't think I'll miss it.
Oh yes.
It's got a numpad, which I like personally. Yeah, you like the form factor? Me too. That was one of the things. It's supposed to be like super cool. Like it's supposed to be one of like best in class.
Quentin Thomas to Mission Control, Babel. We've come across
So we'll see if it's a little bit
It
up.
looks alien.
I think it has an
Nothing I've ever
LED
seen
on the
before.
front or something weird. Oh, you know what? It's probably in like storage mode. I probably gotta plug it in. I'll plug it in. We'll start it up. Actually, let's see. Let's see if it fits in the bag first. Hold on, then I'll start it. All right. So I've got this massive Linus bag, which I love. I actually have 2 of them. because that one over there, right there, the zippers broke on it when they sent me the new zippers. The old ones broke, so they sent me a whole new bag. So shout out Linus Tech Tips for awesome customer service. But you can see, my laptop gets so hot, I have to carry a cooling pad. Because when I go places, my laptop will literally like become the temperature of the sun if I don't put a cooling pad on. It's just about like the space, mostly. But let's see how this bad boy does in here. It should fit. It's a pretty big bag. The question is, will it fit in the back slot? Oh yeah, it's in there fine. We're good. Nice. I wasn't sure if it would actually fit all the way in there or not, to be honest. Cool. Yeah, it fits perfectly. Dude, that bag is expensive, admittedly, the Linus bag, but for travel, oh man, it's so clutch. I can fit like my Steam Deck, like a tablet, my computer, my Kindle, like with room to spare. Like that thing, when I travel, it's packed, and it fits under an airplane seat. So you can actually bring it as a carry-on and stick it under the seat. It's like exactly the size. So like sometimes when the seats are like not quite to spec, it's a little tight of a fit, to be honest. But I have not had it's fit every time, luckily. So I just want to plug this in and see if it starts up, because I want to show off like the little LEDs. See what we got. I'll see how the keyboard is too. I haven't really clicked on that. We've got Thunderbolt, USB-C. I think that's USB 3 or whatever on the side with like the SS. Headphone jack, which I love. That's just on the side. On the back, we've got what? 2 more USBs. Power delivery USB-C. HDMI. We've got a full Ethernet port, which I like. And then the power slot. So it's got a decent amount of I/O on it, which is cool. I feel like this is gonna get scratched. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'll see if I can get like a vinyl on it or something so it doesn't get all scratched up and horrible. Keyboard feels nice. Oh, it feels really good actually. Better than I expected it to. Alright, yeah, let's plug it in and see what it does. I'm very excited to get the screen reset up on this thing. That'll be Monday. Monday for sure we'll be switched over to this computer. I'll probably be setting it up. I'll probably set it up on Sunday, most likely. Let's see this thing. It's probably in like a shipping mode, so it should turn on once I plug it in. Yeah, there we go. Ooh, RGBs. And there's a little light bar on the bottom. See, I feel like it's tasteful though, right? Like this isn't like the back. Like if I'm at a conference, this looks passable. I can turn all the RGB off on the keyboard, obviously. But like this looks professional. I can take this somewhere, which was like, that's huge for me. Yeah, that probably should probably get turned off for a conference. This is maybe a little much. Is the keyboard mechanical? I don't. It kind of feels like it, honestly. I think it must be. Let me look it up. I think it's gotta be. It feels like it. Let's see here. There's not really like a booklet, I don't think. Let's see. Pretty light on packaging. Unless it was in the, this thing. Let's see. Could have missed something in here. No. You know how they are with packaging these days. Everything is like...
Device using a screen reader. Turn on narrator by pressing Windows plus Control plus Enter. For more accessibility features, press Windows plus U, or select the accessibility icon in the bottom corner.
Accessibility. Yeah, there's like nothing in it. The screen looks great. I mean, the other thing is my current laptop is a 1080 screen. I think this is 1440 if I remember correctly. It looks miles better than my current laptop. I have no idea what my current laptop like otherwise is as far as like, it's not OLED for sure. This isn't OLED either, which is like the one thing I didn't get basically. There's I didn't mention this, I don't think, but there's actually a physical, right here. There's a physical webcam button, which, that's cool. I like that. The Scott, you can't see the screen through the, I'm not even gonna try to like explain that it looks better, but it does look a lot better than my current. This is really good. Awesome, I'm excited. Let me see. I want to see if it's mechanical or not though. I think it has to be because it sure feels like it is. I want to say that there is like a low pro. I think technically, I could be misremembering, so let me look it up and confirm. But I think technically, it's actually a low pro mechanical, and it's like you can actually swap the keycaps. I think. But I think people were like, you know, good luck finding replacements. Essentially, like nobody else is making them. But let me see here. There we go. I'm pulling it up right now. It is, so it is a 2560 by 1600. Oh yeah, it's 16 by 10 as well. It is an IPS display, so it's not OLED. But it's 16 by 10 as well, which is different. I'm trying to see if there's anything about the keyboard in here. Gigabit, Ethernet, whatever, Wi-Fi 6. I swear that it is. It feels nice. It's gotta be. 500 nits, so it doesn't get super bright. 5600 DDR5. I want to say that the GPU also has like really high wattage. Lenovo 16-inch. Legion Pro 7i. Here we go. This is what I'm looking for. Yeah, that was the thing for me too. I like specifically avoid like the high gamer stuff essentially. Which always limits my options, especially with heat. That's why my current laptop, it looks super good. It's like super professional, but it gets like really, really hot. Because there's a 2070 in it, and there's not a lot of like cooling space because it's like professional looking. But this one looks pretty professional too, and it's supposed to have like best-in-class cooling, which is pretty cool. No pun intended. I'm trying to see here. Keyboard. It's called a True Strike keyboard with swappable keycaps. What is a True Strike? Is it mechanical? I don't know. No, it is. It's rubber dome. It feels really good. It's probably, honestly, I would say it's probably the best non-mechanical keyboard I've ever felt. It feels like really good. I don't actually need to set this up. Oh, look at that. You hit the function key and it highlights the keys to press. I love those little things you find at like with any kind of new gadget. You start using it and you're like, oh, sweet. Like here's like one new little thing it does. That's cool. Yeah, I'm sure you can change this little LED bar. This is the biggest gamer thing. But it's kind of discreet, you know? It's not too bad. It looks actually a lot brighter in the camera than it does in person. It's like way more discreet. And you can't even see it, like, look how, like, it's gone. So like somebody would have to be pretty well positioned to even see it. But anyway, we can get back to what we were doing now, but I'm pretty pumped. This is gonna be sick. Yeah, and the other cool thing is now if I do a gaming stream in the future, which is in the cards, potentially, I could do it on this setup instead of having to move everything onto my desktop in the other room. This computer doesn't, it struggles a little bit. So this one should be fine. So yeah, anyway, I'm pumped. Very cool. Very excited. Hopefully the webcam is really great. I feel like the
like his determination.
touchpad
And I like
is
the
always
fact
one of
that
those things you just gotta like, it feels
besides
fine, but
everything
I gotta
he
use it to
tries
really
to
know.
do, he
Until I've used it for a little while,
submits
it's anybody's
himself
guess
and
how
has
good it
got
actually is.
to direct and to guide.
Okay, cool.
So I like
Anyway,
that humble part too.
enough sidetracking. I think I'm gonna get vinyl for this because I like putting stickers on top of my lid, and also this feels scratchable to me. So I might get a vinyl to just lay over this, just to try to keep it from like getting scratched from my back. You can play Broker Simulator when you're traveling. Yes, let's go. Broker Sim, dude. I've been talking to Steven too. I think there's a broker, not even broker, but like great gaming opportunities somewhere to be had. Not just through like a broker sim game, but like through a bigger logistics gaming marketplace, like a website. It's like broker games, like freight related. I think there's a legitimate something there. So yeah, keep working on your stuff, Eldorado. We're gonna when you feel like it doesn't have to be done, but when you feel like it's like ready, I'll do like a whole stream and play it. For sure. Because I think people will be interested. I mean, Craig Bowler from Freightways just posted about the Command and Conquer games going open source yesterday. There's so much talk around games right now, especially with Grok and building all the games. Like, there's something there nobody's taken advantage of yet, I think. So, I don't know. Anyway. But thinking about how you were talking about layering on top of each other, yeah, I think there's that's where I think the biggest opportunity is some like MMO-ish kind of not a tradition, like not WoW, but like a connected world where people can kind of go in and like do what they want to do. Like, you want to go be a driver and like play a little like endless runner driver game, like you can do that. You want to go in and be like a broker sim and like, play the market, you can do that. And then you can go into like the global chat and like talk to everybody else that's doing like different parts of this like interconnected world. I think people would have fun with that. I think that should exist, but I mean that's a lot of work obviously, but there's something there. Somebody's gonna do it. Maybe it's us, I don't know. Everybody, one of the funny things that's happened from this stream, I know we're super on a tangent. We'll get back to our AI thing here. But people really like the music. Maybe not all of it, but one of my favorite artists is Harry Was Here. He's one of the guys that, it's not this song. It's there's quite a few songs on this playlist from him, but every time I've gotten like, I think it's like 3 or 4 people now that have heard his music through the stream, and they've been like, wow, he's so good, I've never heard of him. He's like some super indie, like small artist, but it's like very common. I show him to people and people are like, he's awesome. So I love that. It's like a cool way to get him a couple more fans, Kind of a side effect of the stream, which is cool. Anyway, Sunday, new computer's getting set up. I'm not gonna do it on stream. That's obviously gonna take a while. I need to get storage figured out and everything too. But I'm gonna clean up the stream some too, as part of all this. So back to what we were doing. Comparison turns. Looks good. Gotta add a model, right? No, wait, we got a model. We got a migration. Let's do it down. Let's throw it in here. Doesn't matter. It's gonna be
This
this.
one's for donuts, a sweetness anyone can taste. Words from Uncle Tay, your relative is crunk and
Cool.
drunk, and function with a Krispy Kreme or a Dunkin'.
PHP migrate. What is array does not exist.
Like a Swiss wristwatch. Game looking like a weird mishmash of freaks and geeks that I don't understand.
Did I do that? Not sure.
This part,
Is there another one? Comparisons already exist. Did I do that already?
Wait till they get a load of me. My peeps who molded me could never see this far. Your boy made it out of
Artisan, migrate.
in 4K HD
Cool.
straight off the
Alright.
Magnavox. Not to be a chatterbox, just in my bag, handing out some bars in the real world. All y'all
Nice.
they laws in the real girl. Manufactured affection for a plastic connection. But my selection, slow and low like brisket. Get a plate, sop it up with a biscuit. On the couch, toes out with your spouse, watching Love of the List.
Cool. So,
Soul and the mischief, and we do it like
let's see here.
this.
What are we doing next?
Yes, sir.
We got our AI agent stuff pulled in. I wish we could test it through chat. But that's okay. I think the big thing we need to figure out is saving a context now and reinitializing it. So I think what we'll do, let me look here. So base agent has to get a chat model. So the chat with agent. I wish we had. Oh, I wanted to check too. If Grok has an API, I think I would have seen it in the news probably by now, but we'll look anyway. Oh, there's an unofficial one. Wait. Wait. What do we got here? Is this just build Grok? Sign into your XAI, okay. Hold on. Let's sign into this bad boy. You need to add an email, okay. I have to confirm my email.
No, I can't just be a part of it, I can't sit by and let it all come down. Finish what I
Validate.
started with now. Finish what I started with now. Me, you're so cold-hearted with everything else. I can't be quiet down.
Okay. I've never been in here before. Okay. What kind of stuff can we do in here? Ah. Bummer. Should we email him? Dang. Well, we can at least, I guess, look at, am I supposed to know what these mean? Got a tokenizer. How about, like, docs? There we go. I'm assuming they follow the OpenAI, like, approach, since that's what everybody seems to do, but, next, oh. They have diagrams. Want to get Grok 3 as soon as you create your account. Alright, let me set up billing really quick, so that if they are gonna like release this early, we can be on the list, you know? I think we should be on the list, that's all I'm saying. Actually, you know what? I won't do this right now. I'm gonna add a list to do it later, though. Okay. We're getting close on time. I want to try to like get this thing working. So, all right, Grok is not on the table right now. We'll come back to it. Don't worry. we got our comparisons going. We do need to, let's create, let's just, I think we just create a job and we're just gonna mess around with this, with the stuff in this job. So let's go, let's just go agent equals new broker sales agent, and we'll say new chat GPT. Can I define a model in here? Is that what this is? We can go model. Sure, that's fine. Ask, hello, how are you? This gives me the result, right? Yeah. Response equals, response, okay. So now I can go sale, artisan. Actually, maybe we just put this in a test command. Hold on. I lied. Sale, artisan, make, command. Oh, dude. Sale is like, it's in my brain forever now. That's it. Okay. That's it. Alright, let's make sure this works. So now I can go PHP, artisan, app, testing. What for it? Unknown model name. Oh, you know what? I think I wait, do I define models in here? I might. Ooh. That actually we should update today. Let's do this, hold on. I believe there's a list of models in here that are supported. I think there's like defaults, maybe? I'm not sure. Or maybe I actually have the wrong one. It's also possible. Wait. I thought I added Anthropic support. To this. Wait. Hold on. Am I missing stuff? Source. Wait, why are there versions missing? What version's installed? Composer. Require. Wait, 3? How'd that happen? Wasn't it? Or wait, what version is it? Yeah, version 6. That's weird. Okay, wait, so I'm gonna go composer install. Or composer update. Adrenaline, AI agents, Laravel. I wonder why that happened. Best viewers, great. Thank you. Agents requires, oh. By partial data on that. Okay, wait. Requires client 8. Wait, I want to go with all dependencies. With all. Oh, I just do W. Okay. What I do? Pest plugin is locked. Can update. Okay. Oh, the Illuminate support thing is broken. Oh my gosh, that's funny. Dang it! Is Laravel 12 really gonna keep us again? No way, that's crazy. So I need to add 12 here. Oops. Check it out, boom. Commit directly. Laravel 12 support. Boom. New release. New release. Laravel 12 support.
On top of that, she good for me. Made me
Boom.
wanna say, and even though I got plenty,
Done.
I'm down to my last penny. I still
And then we jump over to packages really quick.
I know I gotta.
Oh, it already did. Yeah, gold. Boom. Easy. Try again. No? What am I doing wrong? Replaces and thus it cannot coexist with it. So wait, do I get rid of Illuminate? Is that what it is? Do we even use Illuminate like that? Do I want Laravel framework then? Is that what it is? Alright, I'm not going to tag this version, and we're going to change it to dev, just to see if it fixes it. Hold on. Because I am a little bit confused. Composer. Wait, what? Okay. Composer. Must be on a branch. Didn't I just change this the same way? Or no? Am I crazy? Oh. I see. It put me on the 602. That's what it was. Okay. Got it. Alright, so maybe we change this to... I don't even know. Laravel framework, I guess? I guess 12? I'm just guessing. We're gonna push this and push it straight to... But it's on main, but it's not tagged, so Composer, everybody's instances that are using this won't, like, grab this. Unless they're using dev, in which case... Well, you kind of, like, are asking for it, you know? So... I don't... Is there a dev branch? There is a dev branch. That's fine. So I want to go... Dev main. Dev main. Oh, Composer, require, Adrenaline, AI, agents. Laravel, dev main. Okay. Okay. Requires, but found. But the package is fixed, lock file version by, okay. Did I do it? Maybe. I think this might be it. Wait, what'd that say? Class located and does not comply with PSR. Wait, is that why this wasn't working? Wait, is I have something wrong? Oh my gosh, that's why this wasn't working the whole time. That's why the chat wasn't working earlier. Yeah, I had testing agent, and it called it, that's why I knew that chat worked. I was like, how did that break? I swear that worked. Okay, well, cool. Okay. Now we should be good. I'm gonna push this out really quick on here as the actual fix. Hold on. This release. Delete. Delete. I'm gonna go code. Wait, no. Tags. Delete. There we go. Delete a tag. Releases. Draft a new release. Now. Do this. Release notes. Wait, no. Do. tag. O2, and I'll go Laravel 12 support, publish. Okay. Now we can come back here and we can go like this. Version 6, update all dependencies. Oh. Wait, what? Does it require adrenaline? Wait, maybe just do this. See what it does. Yep, there we go. Alright, we're back in business. We're back in business. Update this just to make sure it's happy again. This should change to... Oh! Wait, what? Invalid composer JSON metadata. Extra trailing comma. Oh my gosh. No shot that I would have messed that up again. So Packages is unhappy with... I'm dumb. Okay, got it. Third time's the charm? The funny thing is it actually works. In Composer, it's just Packages, which, that's fair. Alright, last one. Let me make sure. Got it. Thank you. Okay. Last one. Release. Draft new release. New tag. 2. Version 6.2. Okay. Now it should right here. It's update. Cool. And this is probably already right. Let's see. Actually, let's install again. Alright, now we should be caught up. I don't even remember what we were fixing now. Oh, we just couldn't get the latest version with Anthropic, that's right. Alright. Cool. So what we can do is actually, let's just make sure. Good testing. Jump over here. Now we should have all the stuff that was missing. Yeah, there we go. Okay, that looks better. That looks much better. And I think there's models in here now. Yeah, okay. Which, that's fine. It just, it's guessing on tokens. This is literally how everybody does it, which is crazy. Maybe it's changed now, I'm not sure. We've got Azure support, we've got Anthropic support. There is no Gemini, so we'll have to add Gemini. Testing. So, sure. What are you unhappy about? Oh, is that called OpenAI now or something? Wait, can I jump into that though? Or no? Maybe I moved something. Hold on. So if I go chat, Jeep. No, it's there. What are you complaining about? Alright. All that for app testing. Got it. Also, let's try PHP Artisan. AI chat. And it was app AI agents testing agent. No, it still doesn't work. Oh. Now it still doesn't work. But I think that's why it wasn't working the other way. Like, I think we can do if class exists. I think this will work. Yeah, there we go. Hello, are you there? It should be rude. Yes, I'm here. What do you need help with? How are you today? I think we said to be rude. Cool. What's 2 plus 2? Not really being rude. You are a rude assistant. Be mean in every response. Make sure this is working. Hello. Oh, what do you want? There we go. Okay. So that's working. Cool. So now we can test that way, which is nice. Cool. We should actually push that out, so I'm gonna do that too. I'll at least put it on main for now. Throw it through here real quick. Source. Man's chat with agent. Cool. For other classes outside of the results in the package. Boom. Alright. We'll tag all that whatever later, doesn't matter. Cool, so testing. Alright. So I think my thought process is maybe we do like an action. Add some actions. Actually, we don't need to. We don't need to get crazy. Just make it work. We'll just put it all in here for now, and then we'll copy paste it out. So basically, we want to create a new comparison, create a new broker sales agent, create a new carrier sales agent. Let the carrier agent open the conversation. Record the turn. Let broker respond when either calls their agree function. The comparison ends. Okay. So let's create a new comparison. So comparison. Actor A, Actor B, and final result. So for now, we're gonna go comparison, create. We're gonna go Actor A is gonna be, I mean, I don't know. I guess we'll do GPT 4.0, and then Actor B can be GPT 4. Sure. I don't care that much. That's fine for now. And then final results empty, so that's fine. Okay. So first, we want to create a new broker sales agent. GPT 4.0. No. It's gonna be the character. It's the broker. Cool. So broker is gonna be GPT 4. That's gonna be 4.0. Open this conversation. Alright. And then we're gonna say carrier open no, we're gonna say carrier ask. And this is where we're gonna put our prompt. So we'll say opening prompt, and then we'll put
I can just be.
You know what? We'll just do it. Let me pull up the prompts from the other day. Here we go. So we'll say prompt equals this is basically the same prompt we used the other day, so we will make this all configurable and stuff in the future, but okay. Ask prompt. We'll say opening carrier prompt. Cool. And then we'll say result equals, and then we're gonna go comparison turns. We gotta add turns to that, so let's run over the comparison really quick. Add the relationship. Public function turns. Return has many. This is gonna be comparison turn. Cool. And then we want to go comparison. What was it called? We want to say turn actor. This is going to be, I guess we'll just say actor A or actor B basically for now. This is gonna be actor A. We'll probably clean this up. Yeah, we'll definitely clean this up. So in context equal to carrier. Get context. I swear there's a context thing here. Space agent. No? Is it in the chat model? It must be. I thought we wrapped this though, but I guess not. So, I guess what we'll do is we'll pull it out of here then. Context. Okay. Cool. So we will go. Testing. This is going to be so good moving forward with these tests. Yeah, I know. We just gotta like build the foundation. It's gonna be good. You could even create visualizations for the results instead of having to feed it into Claude. That's exactly what I'm thinking. Like I'm thinking you can go in and like run a couple comparisons, and then we can just like we'll have the data, so we can just run, tweak stuff, generate the report, blah, blah, and then we'll just keep adding models as they come out, so we can test them against like our different benchmarks. So we'll have different comparisons. I think we'll define. Like I'm just like hacking this thing together, but I think long term we'll like have comparison types that change the prompting and everything, right? So, but yeah, I think it's gonna be cool. So I think we got to go carrier chat model context, and that gives us our context from the chat, and then I can say turn response is it's just result. I think that's just gonna be a string result. Okay, and then we go broker half. Carrier. this one's like really big, so. Okay. And then we do and we do ask broker prompt plus whatever the AI said. Results. We're just gonna do one turn to see if this even works, and then we will go from there. So comparison, turns, create, actor B, broker, context, turn response, context. And that's all we're gonna do. Okay. PHP artisan test. Testing. Is that what I call it? Final result. Wait, did I say not null on that? Why'd I do that? Comparison. Final result. Turn response. Context is not nullable. Yeah, that should be good. PHP artisan migrate fresh. Okay. I guess I should have put a state like something in here to tell us it's working, but okay. So now if we jump over to database, let's see if it's in there. Refresh, comparison. Sorry, we got a comparison. Actor A, actor B. Comparison turns. We got 2 turns. Okay, so this actor B's context didn't record. Hi there, appreciate it. Okay, it looks like it's working. Did I mess up the context? I must have. Testing. Turns, create. No, wait. It should have worked, right? Oh. Wait, this isn't defined. Did that not throw an error? Oh. I see what happened. There we go. Cool. Okay, so now we have it looping. Now we have it looping. So we want to basically say I guess we can say sales tools accept offer rate. Should we let it run like 3 rounds and see what happens? Oh, also, we don't have that in there either, right? Yeah, we don't need that anymore. Yeah, we don't have turn comparison turn. I mean, I guess we need like a turn number, right? Oops. Comparison. Yeah, I think we want a turn number. Create turn number 2. Turn number 1. Okay. I think we go. Let's do like function run next turn, and then we just go comparison. And so I think we go comparison turns latest first. Oh, so that's the most recent one. And then we probably just need to make like an enums file for like models or whatever. Enums. Models. Do I don't know, AI models. Sure. And then we'll go. Yep. 4-0. I mean, sure, I don't care that much. This is fine for now. Cool. Models. Cool. And then basically what we need to do is say run next turn. We need to get which actor is next. Get the no, we don't need a prompt. We just need to get the context from that actor's last turn. Create new agent for that actor. A is carrier, B is broker. Feed the response from the last turn of the other actor in the prompt. Record the turn. Alright, so now we need to go to the latest turn. So next actor is latest turn actor. I guess we should do how did we do this? We did like actor AB, that's fine. Oh, what's it gonna do for me? Okay, so next comparison turns where turn actor is the next one latest first in context, and then we're saying next actor agent. If it's actor A, that's carrier sales agent with the model from actor A, actor B. Okay. We don't need to do this. We need to actually do this. We need to go. Oh yeah. See, we need to actually do like a resolver for the chat. In the enums, because like we need different ones for Anthropic. That's okay. We'll do that in a minute. But we need to do this. Return it in context. So then we go. Actually, can we set this? I'm not sure. Hold on. Case agent. Can I set the context of a chat? Kind of like in line. I'm not sure if I allow that or not. I mean, I don't see why not. So probably. Let's try it. So then I can go next actor, agent, context. And then we just want to ask the latest turns response. And then it's turn number plus one, blah, 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 blah. Okay. So now, if I go run, go this, run next turn, comparison, refresh. What is it? Reload? Is it refresh? See if it does 3 rounds. Table comparison has no. Oh, wait. Didn't I add that or no? Did I forget to save? Thought I did. Oh wait, did I? Oh no, yeah, I put that in there. Okay. This should run 3 turns and alternate if it works. Okay. Now we got database. Comparison turns 3. Okay. And actor A, actor B, actor A. Okay. Oh look, it's working. Thank you for considering an adjustment to the rate. All right, it's okay, it's working. We're getting there. We're getting there. I don't know if we're gonna have it fancy by the end of the day, because like I said, I gotta end at 4:30, so we got 30 minutes left. But this is good progress. This is good progress, and once we get Grok 3's API, then we can really make this thing cook. Yeah, definitely. We'll see how far we can get today, though. So we can do run next turn. So the big thing I want to do now is we need to hook in a great start to the foundation. Yeah, for sure. I want to hook in now to like the complete sales. Like when it calls accept offer rate, I want this to like trigger it to end. So to do that, there's some ugly ways we can do this, which I think we might do, because I don't really care about this code being that. I don't really care about this code being that clean, to be honest. I just want to do like I just want the results mostly. So let's do set comparison ID, and we'll go public. So if it accepts rate, we're gonna go comparison where update final result. And then we'll say where final result is not null for the next turn. We'll say if compare result return. So let's do this. This is crazy. While true or I less than 10. This run next turn. I 0. We'll let it run up to 10 times. Oh, I put while true. That's stupid. Wow, I listen to and not comparison final result. All right. Infinite loop. Hundreds of dollars spent. Oh, whoops. We missed a step. Broker set comparison ID. That'll help. We create the new agents down here too, don't we? Yep. Okay. Let's try again. Let me do a fresh migrate just to clear everything up too. Okay. Let's try this out. You could get through is the feel. Got one more year and I'm out of the deal. Might go independent and do it like deal. Bet on myself, I don't think I could fail. Do we do it? Accept the rate 775. It sure looks like it worked. There it is. Boom. It's a lot of married men in the NBA. Got shorties and money. Lord, keep your hand on MPJ. Sweet. All right. So now we've got a loop. Now we can just define. Now all we have to do is basically add a wrapper to pick the right provider for like based on the model you want. Basically, I think what we'll do is make the enum have a generate with context or something. Or maybe we'll create an action, I don't know. And it'll take like an enum and it'll automatically know ChatGPT for the whatever models. Okay. This is great. This is great. Yeah, check out. That might have just cost me a bag from over there. Oh well. When all of them cards dealt, I got aces and kings inside of my deck. I looked down and stepped. Boom. Shot me a text. Huge. Huge. All right. Okay. So now, we need to go. Let's do a couple things. I don't know. Should we clean up the? Maybe we'll create actions. I guess we just create jobs. That probably makes more sense. We'll do like run comparison. Run comparison. And then we'll just basically just do this. And then I think the only difference is gonna be we're gonna say add all these imports we need, first of all. Your sales agent. This. Sure. Okay. So we're gonna go, it takes a comparison. It's great. So it takes a comparison. So it's already gonna have one created. So we need to do a wrapper here. So let's just put it in line for now. Look, we're getting hacky. Function. Get chat model. And then we'll go AI models. Model. I want to rename that to AI model. I don't know why I called it like that. Stupid. Return match. Actually, we should do this. AI models. Public function get provider. Abstract chat model. And then we go like this. Oops. So GPT-4, oops, 4, 4.0, and we go chat GPT. Oh. What is this return tag? It's a string, right? Expected type. String. Yeah, it's a string. Okay. Whoa. There we go. And then we can do the same thing for quad, actually. Try Anthropic. Okay. So now we can do run comparison. We do get chat model. We pass the model in and the context. Then it does return. This is going to turn an abstract chat model. And this is going to return new model, get provider. Oops. Like this. So we get the class, new with context. Why are you unhappy? It might freak out because it doesn't know what this is going to be. Okay, it did. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. So then here we do like this. Chat model. Yeah, we don't pass anything in there. Why? Oh. You know what? I'm gonna do this. Comparison equals this comparison. This is kind of hacky, but I don't want to deal with it, and we might copy this code into something else, so I don't want to like have to change it again. Okay, cool. So now we need to do this. I don't know the right way to like, do this. I think it's like this. Then get chat model again. That looks good. That's better. Cool. So that runs the next turn. Cool. It's looking right. It's looking right. So now I think I can go tail or HP artisan tinker, and I can go comparison create with just do it up here and I'll copy it. I think we can go like this. Comparison create like this. I mean, we can just go for it with quad. I don't quad. Let's see what the models are called. I think we named it something weird before. Chat models. See. I don't know what the models are called. I guess we'll just go with what it's suggesting for now. And if it's wrong, we'll change it. Okay, so let's put 4. I think we can do this. I think we go comparison equals comparison create. Oh, we need to do, or no, this will just run it. That's fine. Run comparison. Equals this, and then we go app jobs. And actually, dispatch won't work. Well, I'm pretty sure dispatch won't work. I think we gotta do is it run? Maybe? There's like some weird stuff with using jobs through Tinker that don't always work. Oh. Yep. I think it's run. No? I'm pretty sure dispatch. Oh, dispatch now should work, right? Dispatch synchronous. That's what it is. I think this will work. Error X AP. Oh, we don't have our okay. For testing right in the second, I'm just gonna make this 4.0 again. Because we don't have our anthropic key in here. So that's why it didn't work. Okay. I think it finished. Database. Comparisons. So comparison 3. Yeah, 4 is 4.0. Oh, look, there it is. Accepted rate, 625. So GPT-4 did better by a lot. Wait, did it do 2 runs? Wait, I will accept the offered rate. We gotta do some tweaking on the prompt probably. That's funny. Yeah, we gotta do some tweaking for the prompt to make it look nicer. Or like actually like, you know, the actual test. But it looks like it's working. So that's good. Let me throw an anthropic key in. Hold on. Let me do that. Oh, let me just hide my screen. One moment. One moment. Drop it. Keys. Generate a key. Key. Alright. So now if I go. Oh, you know what I need to do? Probably this again. Gotta export the configs again, so Anthropic D. Alright. Okay. So now if I go back here, try this again. PHP, send Tinker. Hopefully this will work this time. Oh, is it gonna hit the max? It might. No, it did 2 again. Oh, I saw. Oh, look, it's like putting its thinking. We need to like rip the thinking out of the response. That way it won't tip its hand a bit, right? Wait, so they just accepted the rate. Accept B, so B is the broker. So yeah. We need to like tweak the Wait, so A was GPT-4. Wait, so GPT-4 was putting thinking in the tag? Like in its response? After A. Weird. That's odd. Alright, well, this is a pretty good place to stop on the back-end side of things, I think. Because we're at the point of tweaking the prompts, probably. Odd. I should put this on an actual repo, huh? Say, oh, there's my key, I leaked it. Dang it! I forgot to close it. That's alright, I'll reset it. Dang it. I was so close, too. Like, almost the end of the stream. Alright, hold on. At least it was just that key and not something else. Could have been worse. Always leak. Man, I thought we were going to make it through that one, I'm not going to lie. But alas, we did not. Whatever. I'm not even going to bother saving this key because I'll just generate a new one when I set up the other laptop anyway on Sunday, so just delete it for now. Alright, let me create a new repo for this bad boy. Broker AI benchmark. I'm gonna keep it private for now. We might open it up later. Oh, we did origin. All right. Cool. Oh, you know what's interesting is Laravel doesn't include that big Laravel README anymore when they do like Laravel new. Normally it had like the big like Laravel huge like README file it always include. It's kind of funny that they took that out. I mean, it probably makes sense. So I think, let me create some issues so we can track some work here. So, improve prompting. Agents tend to accept the rate. We should maybe inform them of the loss before they accept something to show. Not great to accept right away. They just prompt improvements. We need to enable creating a new comparison and triggering the run through the UI. We need to show results of a Comparison on the UI. What else? What are the big things? This is pretty ugly, but like I said, I think I'm fine with it. I guess we probably want to enable like customizing the prompt long term. That should be pretty easy to do though. I think that's good for now. I mean, add Gemini support. I'd like to get Gemini in there. Add Gemini support. Add Grok 3 support. Add DeepSeek report support maybe. That'd be cool. What other ones? I think those are the main ones, right? Yeah. Well, let's see. We got a couple minutes. We got like 10 minutes left. We'll see what we can do really quick. So if we go, what was it? PHP, artisan, filament. Hold on. How do we make a resource again? I forget. Resource. There we go. Comparison. So now we go back. Comparison. Resource. Yeah, look. Look, we can even make it like a drop down based on our models. And then we can even do like this, I think. On what is it? After. I thought it was after create, but that's not it. I want to do like after create, trigger like the run. Maybe it's actions. No. Oh, maybe it is action. Action. Oh, it's not. Wait, is it? I don't know. Advanced forms. I mean, otherwise we can literally go as simple as. So this should actually make it. We can go to admin comparisons. Oh. Oh, we didn't create a. I gotta create a user. What was it? Make user. Make user. There we go. Oh wait. User. Element user, is that what it was? Pass.com, password. There we go. Okay. Alright, login. Comparisons is already in here. Go new comparison. I can now select out of our models and create it. Done. Now we should have a comparison, but it's not running yet. So we want to do a table. I think we're gonna go actor A, actor B, and I think we can do. There's a column for like JSON column or something. There's like a good way to show this stuff, I swear. Maybe not. Maybe not. Well, we can just do a text column, that's fine. Text column. Yeah. Okay. And then we can do get relations. I don't know much about the. I haven't used much of that. Relations.
Oh, yes.
Let's see, panel.
Tag team match.
Resources,
Tag team
relationships.
champion belt of the world.
Field set make. Oh.
Quentin Thomas to Mission Control, Babel.
So there's some stuff we can do with that too.
It
I don't know
looks
if we care that
AI,
much about it.
nothing
I just want
I've
like
ever
view
seen
related.
before.
When generating, you may pass the view flag to add a view action to the table. So we can actually do a thing to like pull up the turns probably through like a relationship. That's an easy fix for long-term death. Yeah, I know. It's like they just like accept the first thing or whatever too. And, like, we'll clean that up next week with some better prompting and like make it more accessible too. I guess we'll skip this for now. We can actually create like a view later for like list comparison turns, right? Let's see, what does this do then? Do it back here. Okay, so then we can see our final result now. Alright, so we can see. And then I can click into it. Log into Broker Simulator? Alright. I'll do it. Let me push this out. I actually really enjoyed working through not Docker today, not gonna lie. Like, it was kind of nice to just have it all in the terminal. Might have to try setting up the TMS that way on the new machine. Alright, Broker Simulator. I got a few minutes here. As a freight broker, your job is to post loads, book carriers, and most importantly, verify their credentials to prevent fraud. The transportation industry loses millions of dollars yearly to double broking scams and identity theft. Your performance will be measured by successful load deliveries and fraud prevention. Alright, we're starting our career. Got our desktop. So got our load board. Got $0. So I can post loads. Alright. Post a load. We got our sponsor ready. I put for the highest rate. That's why I just straight for it. Alright, dispatch manager. Oh, we got a bunch. Oh, we're blowing up already. Oh wait, I didn't get a response. We have loads available for booking. Okay, here's our responses. Okay. We're interested in hauling this load from Atlanta. Okay, we can handle from 4431. Our equipment's ready. Please, we will send over insurance, W9 carrier packet. Okay, they're just gonna take the rate? How about these guys? Interested. Please let us know if you'd like to proceed. We will send over insurance. Okay. For even, wait. Okay, so 4431, okay. We can haul this load for even less. It's all the same responses. This one says 4231 though. Our company has a great safety record. It's ready to move in freight. Please confirm. I'm going for cheap. I took it. Book it. Alright. I'm assuming that's just a bug with picking it. So now what? Okay, I got my email up. Got documents. Wait, view details. Okay, we got our store. We got our store with Loadstar energy drink, SN, zesty little powerhouse for a brain buzzing booster negotiation chops, and freight gourd. We have verification tools, office upgrades, training, hiring, staff. They sent me a new, oh, okay. Alright, hello, thank you for booking this load with us. As requested, I'm attaching our company documents for verification. Please confirm everything looks great. Please realize for making a decision. Okay. Oh gosh, I have to actually review documentation. This is great. This is awesome. Okay, I see it. I see the papers, please comparison for sure now. All right, liability. Do I know what I need for this? It's food products, so I guess I don't know like what kind. Did I say? I guess it looks fine. I guess I just need to compare like policy numbers and stuff, right? So insurance provider, Summit Freight 853. That's who we're dealing with. 853, Chicago. I don't know if I would even know if I. Sorry, 853. Are these real? There is a check button at the top of the dock. At the top of the dock, you might need to scroll up. Oh, okay. Oh, I see it. Okay. Check for issues. No issues. Okay, cool. Uh-oh. Wait, is it? I literally read this. Summit Freight 853. Oh, because the LLC is on there? Versus not? Is that what it is? I'm guessing that's what it is. Oh, it's a bug with... Okay. Okay. Check for issues. Settled name difference on the authority document. That's probably the same LLC thing, I'm guessing. Okay. Looks great. Send it. Warning, you approved a fraudulent carrier. Is that because of the LLC thing, or did I actually miss something? This is cool. I like this concept. I think it is something with the names. Did I actually miss something? Summit Freight. Summit Freight 853. 853. That's cool. I like this. Is a really cool concept. See, it's all one. This one just has LLC on it. I'm guessing it's because of the LLC thing. Because that is the difference. Alright, post one. I got scammed. Okay, I already verified this one. Refresh. There we go. Alright, book it. Send me them docs. Hello, thank you for your booking as requested. Okay. Check for issues. Nothing there. Looks great. No issues. Send it. Hey, 500 bucks. Where's my reputation at? Database. Oh, I see. You can be search for database in the future. Dude, I really like this. This is fun. No, this is really fun. You should keep rolling with this. That's very cool. Can I actually look up MC numbers or not yet? No, 509. Oh, I can. Oh, that's cool. Dude. No, this is cool. You gotta keep rolling with this. I definitely wanna see this like fleshed out all the way. No, this is fun. Like, this is actually kind of fun. Like, I would totally play this. I'm gonna buy a energy drink. Nice. Time is at 4:30. I gotta get off. I'm gonna be jumping onto the logistics lounge today. So if you've seen those guys, tune in. I'll be on at like 5, I think. I don't know if they posted anything or not, to be honest. I have not looked at social media. Let's see. But yeah, thanks for tuning in, man. It was fun. This is cool. You got to keep building this thing out. It's very cool. And next week we will get the broker benchmark, generating some reports for some stuff and clean it up a little bit more. It's pretty close, I think. So. But anyway, yeah, I gotta hop off. So have a good weekend, and I'll be back on Monday. So. See you there.
Anything less than all of my best. Instead, they be getting what's left over. I want 100% from God, but only won't give him a quarter of me. I grab my phone when I woke up this morning. Got every order my priority. I need God in my life, yeah. Cause we don't be talking enough. I give a call when I'm stuck. Now when I'm all the way up, I think he calling my bluff. I said I don't got no time for him. We make that time for the things that we love. You tell me what be your priority. Like what come first and what come last. Like what's right now and what's gon' last.